Hi, I'm Steve Smith, and I'm a Security Technical Program Manager at Google. I'm excited to be teaching the AI-Aided Cybersecurity course at Elevator. This course was designed for professionals in information technology and computer science, data analysis, and also cybersecurity professionals learning how to apply AI to security problems in their environments. Over 7 weeks, we will leverage the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning to redefine your understanding of how to use artificial intelligence in cybersecurity. Come join me to learn about the role of artificial intelligence in cybersecurity, its limitations, and its benefits. And we'll dive into machine learning, its terminology, and we'll learn how to build a machine learning pipeline. And of course, explore AI techniques that can help in data pre-processing, extraction of features, and in pre-processing data sets. Networking and cloud security have never been so crucial. That's why you'll build your own anomaly detection system to identify malicious malware and phishing. And you'll get practice digging into behavior analytics, fraud detection, and anomaly detection. Through various labs and guest speaker sessions, you'll become proficient in state-of-the-art detection systems. When things go south, incident analysis and anomaly detection is your last line of defense. You'll learn how AI can accelerate your capabilities in risk assessment and incident response. The world of cybersecurity is not complete without understanding the adversarial mindset. You also need to understand the dynamics of adversarial machine learning and how to defend against it. We'll end by addressing the ethical considerations and the promising future career prospects in AI and cybersecurity. Let's talk about some of the course highlights next. It's packed with practical assignments, guides, labs, and guest speakers to give you real-world experiences of what your responsibilities will look like in the industry. I'll also have weekly office hours if you feel like you have any questions left after the lesson. So are you ready to unlock the potential in the rapidly evolving cybersecurity industry? Join us for an unforgettable learning experience that will propel your career to new heights. We're incredibly excited to be teaching this course. See you in class.